Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if sleep mode is not working properly on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on Start Windows, click mo lang yan, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open, and then next step dito lang sa taas makikita mo dito yung view by category, and then i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click mo lang yan, and then dito sa computer settings ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa power option settings, so ang next step, dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung change when the computer sleeps. Okay, so click mo lang ito. And then next step, dito sa change settings for the plan, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung change advanced power settings. Okay, so click mo lang ito. And then pop up itong kanyang power actions advanced settings. So ang next step, dito lang sa advanced settings, and then dito lang sa gitna mga kaibigan, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung sleep. So click mo lang itong plus sign, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung dalawang actions. So sleep after, and then yung allow wake timers. Okay? So i-click mo lang itong plus sign, so sleep after. So pwede mo na itong i-adjust. For example, sa kanyang on battery, so pwede mo itong i-adjust kung ilang minutes, hours, or kung ayaw mo naman, pwede. So itap mo lang itong time na to, so click mo lang siya. And then makita mo na dito yung actions mga kaibigan na pwede na natin itong i-edit. Okay? So click mo lang siya, pwede mo na itong palitan kung ilang hours yung gusto mo or ilang minutes. Alright, so same naman dito sa plug-in niya. So click mo lang siya, and then nandito na yung options. Okay, and then next, ito naman sa kanyang allow wake timers. So same, click mo lang itong plus sign, and then pwede mong i-adjust yung kanyang on battery, pwede mong enable or disable. So itap mo lang itong settings na yan. So, click mong ganyan, and then pwede mo na itong enable, disable, or important wake timers only. Nandito yung tatlong options. So same naman dito sa kanyang plug-in. So, click mo lang yan, and then click mo lang dito, and then pwede mo itong disabled, enabled, or important wake timers. So, once naka-select ka na dito ng settings or na-adjust mo na siya, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next step, dito naman sa kanyang turn off the display. So, pwede mo i-adjust din mga kaibigan. So, dito sa kanyang on battery, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito kung ilang minutes and hours yung gusto mo, or kung gusto mong i-disable, click mo lang itong number. So same naman dito sa kanyang plug-in, click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then nandito yung mga actions kung ilang minutes, hours, or kung gusto mong i-disable, click mo lang dito. And then same naman dito sa put the computer to sleep. So same procedure, click mo lang itong arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito kung ilang minutes or hours yung gusto mo, and then disable, click mo lang dito. And then same dito sa kanyang plug-in, click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito kung ilang minutes and hours. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix sleep mode not working properly in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.